Okay, basically I'm going to explain how to do test kits. Now, with this kind right here, there might be a problem because it didn't include the testing card to see what the ideal ranges for GH and KH are. It came with the instructions, but I actually need the card to compare the colors to. And they didn't send it for some reason, so I can't do this one. But I can do the others. This one tests for phosphates, which you usually use if you have live plants in your aquarium, and I did. I had bulbs, but they weren't growing, so I pulled them out. So technically, I don't need to do the phosphate either. But if anyone wants me to show them how to do it, I can let them know. See, this is the color chart that should have came with the other one, but it didn't. So I'm not going to bother doing this one until I pick up some live plants. Then I'll need to test for phosphates. But right now we're good. They're pretty much all the same. Some testing kits want you to shake the solution, some want you to invert it, which just means flip it up and down slowly. Other than that, they're all pretty much the same thing. Now, all the bottles that are over here, all those bottles you have to use the same card for. If you look, this one covers pH, high pH, which is what I have. It shouldn't be high, but some fish are okay with it. My pH is always high, so there's a bottle over there that tests for special pH that's high. This is ammonia, which is one of the most important ones to test for. And I like the drops because the drops are more accurate than the strips. And since it came in the mail, I'm excited I can finally test for ammonia, see where my ammonia is at. I tested it when I first got the kit, but I hadn't changed the water, so that was kind of pointless. But I just did a water change, similar to what I showed you in my previous videos. So now I can test for this, and it should be okay, because like I said, I've already done a water change. This one here will test for nitrate and nitrate. From what I can understand, nitrite is what happens when the ammonia turns to a different sort of chemical, and then nitrate is the safe conversion of ammonia. This is the very dangerous conversion of ammonia. You want to make sure this is always blue. This should always be yellow. These, for me, have always been good. If it's any higher, you need to look up different ways to lower it. But I've never had a problem with these two. And my pH is high, but that's okay because my fish can handle it. And then the ammonia, which is always high for me, which I'm trying to work on. So it'll be exciting to see what this is going to read, since I did a water change, so hopefully it'll be better than it usually is. So this one covers all those bottles, basically. On the next video, I will show you how to actually test the ammonia and all the other things.